10 ways to differentiate between first and second order questions in TOK. In the pursuit of knowledge, we often find ourselves exploring a spectrum of questions ranging from concrete to abstract, straightforward to intricate. Within the framework of the International Baccalaureate's Theory of Knowledge course, this spectrum is often categorized into first-order and second-order questions. These two categories serve as intellectual tools that help us delve into the heart of a subject matter as well as step back and critically examine the process and nature of knowledge creation itself. So, what makes a question fall into the first-order or second-order category? Let's unpack these concepts to gain a deeper understanding of their role in our exploration of knowledge. First-order questions. These are direct questions about the world. They are focused on specific content and subject areas, and they seek to gain factual, straightforward knowledge. For example, in a science class, a first-order question might be, what is the process of photosynthesis? Or in a history class, what were the causes of the French Revolution? These questions are grounded in a particular subject and are usually intended to gain or test knowledge about that subject. Second-order questions. These are more abstract and conceptual questions that explore the nature of knowledge itself. Rather than asking about specific factual content, second-order questions in TOK examine how knowledge is constructed, validated, and understood. For example, how do we know that scientific theories are reliable, or what constitutes historical accuracy? These questions often don't have one definitive answer, and instead invite analysis, debate, and the application of critical thinking skills. Here are 10 ways to distinguish between first and second-order questions in the Theory of Knowledge TOK course. Subject matter. First-order questions concern specific content or subject areas, while second-order questions concern the process and nature of knowledge itself. Depth. First-order questions usually seek specific, factual information, while second-order questions require more profound, conceptual exploration. Type of answer. First-order questions often have definite, factual answers, while second-order questions are more likely to have multiple plausible answers depending on perspectives. Objective versus subjective. First-order questions tend to be more objective and concrete, while second-order questions are often more subjective and abstract. Scope. First-order questions are usually narrower in scope, focused on a specific fact or concept, while second-order questions are broader, often encompassing entire fields of study or the nature of knowledge itself. Interdisciplinary nature. First-order questions typically fall within the realm of a specific discipline. In contrast, second-order questions often cut across various disciplines, considering knowledge's nature and acquisition. Methodology. First-order questions might ask about a particular methodology within a field, whereas second-order questions often challenge or evaluate these methodologies, asking about their reliability or validity. Evidence. First-order questions are more likely to be about specific evidence or data within a particular area, while second-order questions may ask about the role and value of evidence in knowledge acquisition more generally. Bias and perspective. First-order questions typically don't address issues of bias or perspective, focusing instead on the information itself. Second-order questions, on the other hand, may specifically focus on the role of bias, perspective, culture, or context in shaping knowledge. Application. First-order questions are often about the what or how of a specific subject or field, while second-order questions ask about the why, often probing deeper into implications and assumptions about knowledge and its application. Remember, the distinction between first and second-order questions isn't always clear-cut. Many questions can be reframed as either first or second-order depending on the depth and perspective from which you approach them. Thanks for joining me in this exploration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the theory of knowledge. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning.